What's poppin', Journey Squad? And what's up to all of my new supporters? If you are new, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And then my friend is on board, okay? So in today's video, you guys, we are going to be making some exfoliation scrubs. So for y'all who do not know, or for y'all who are new, I have a business called Bare Beauty Bar, and I am going to be relaunching, you guys, in the beginning of January. I'm going to tell you guys a couple days before I relaunch. Y'all know I have a busy schedule, and right now I am working on new products, and I'm also working on my website. So before we relaunch, I kind of want to show you guys how I make some of my products, because why not? Why the fuck not? Today we're going to be making an exfoliation scrub. Every woman needs a freaking exfoliation scrub, okay? I used to use one brand. I'll be leaving it right here, the brand that I used to use. And I mean, it's cool or whatever. And I ain't saying this because they're a competitor. I'm saying this literally because my exfoliation scrub is so much better, and it's all organic, and it all natural products. Unlike a lot of the stuff that we use and we put on our body. Of course, y'all ain't really reading the labels. I mean, who really be reading the labels? But a lot of this stuff be having really, really harmful stuff in it, you guys. And we don't even really be knowing the stuff that we put on our body. But today, boo-boo, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make some organic and bomb-ass exfoliation scrub. For my haters in the back, please do not steal my recipe. Do not steal my ideas. Girl, if you sell body butter and lip gloss, stick to that. I do not want to go to y'all goddamn page and see y'all all of a sudden selling fucking exfoliation scrub, okay? Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys leave a big old thumbs up. Give me some ideas, what kind of smells y'all like. Leave them down in the comments below. But without further ado, I'm gonna shut up. Let's just jump into it.
Okay, whoa, look, that can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail to snow, I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up.
Hey, y'all. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you sanitize the area that you're going to be working in. I sanitize this area with some Clorox disinfectant wipes. You can use whatever kind of wipes you want as long as they have some type of cleaning in it. I don't know. You can use whatever you want, but I just use Clorox disinfectant wipes. And I also dry my area with paper towels as well, okay? And then you want to glove up. You want to make sure you have gloves on. This is going to be for me. I ran out of my exfoliation scrub, so I was like, you know what? I need to make some more. So yeah, I'm just gonna be, I already sanitized and washed this out, so we're just gonna be using this. But again, this is for me, this is not for a customer. I hope you guys can see everything that you're gonna need. This is not my exact recipe. I repeat, this is not my exact recipe. I know it's a lot of copycats out there, a lot of people who wanna, you know, be like Shay Shay. But no, ma'am, you can't. So anyway, you're gonna need some type of sugar. This is the sugar that I'm gonna be using. I got this from Walmart, but you can use whatever kind of sugar you want. Then you're gonna need some type of coconut oil. I'm just using the Luann organic coconut oil. And then if you choose to use arrowroot, if you do not know what arrowroot is, I suggest that you look it up. But that's also a good thing to use. I'm also be using vitamin E. You can use jojoba oil. You can use coconut oil or whatever it is that you want to use. You can use grapeseed oil, any kind of oil that benefits you. But like I said, this is for me.
They tryna tell me that I'm good without you. Just stay with the things that make you feel good. But I don't see it saving me. Pretty on a shelf, it's clear to see that I can see right through it. Looking so translucent, being all elusive. That's right. All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries, all the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you. Why? Oh, why? They try to hide behind
ayy. Got my squad, family, no one else around, ayy. I'm feeling blessed, so I give him thanks. We one of a kind, you cannot replace. God, I need no upgrade. He made us new, no update. And I'm hoping that you stick around me. Just stay in the circle, we all connected, just like an Audi. When I feel like I'm going off for the rails, you keeping me grounded. You showing me love and taking me up. I'm glad that you found me, found me.
All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries or the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you. All I want for Christmas is you. Ain't nobody else gonna love me like you. Not entertaining thoughts of the mysteries or the fairy tales. All I want for Christmas is you.
Gonna be a long night. Gonna be a long night.
Slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down. Drown me in your mind. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down. Drown me in your mind. Slow it down.
Can you do it?
Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down.
Slow it down now.
Slow it down, girl, slow it down.
It's gonna be a long night.
Won't let it slide with you tonight. It's been a while, let's get right. We gon' drink some and take flight. It's on us. The mood is set, the vibe is real. I told you make it, you just had to make it feel. Feel for me like I feel for you. Just didn't wanna let you know the truth. It's been a game for a while. You gave me hints, I let them slide. Like I didn't know you want me on your side. I know what you needed and what you want me to do. Tell me, are we gon' turn up tonight? We gon' be lovers till the night passes by. Slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down. Drown me in your mind. Slow it down, girl, slow it down. It's gonna be a long night. Put that dress down. Drown me in your mind. Slow it down.
Can you do it?
Slow it down, girl, slow it down. Slow it down, girl, slow it down.
Slow it down now.
Slow it down, girl, slow it down.
It's gonna be a long night.